Nearly 94% of Toyota owners have no idea their vehicles are packed with hidden engineering gems that can save them hundreds, even thousands of dollars while making daily driving safer and smarter. These aren't fancy add-ons. They're factory-built features most drivers overlook for years. Stick with me because one of these secrets alone could prevent a $2,500 repair bill and another might keep you from getting stranded on the side of the road. Let's dive in. Secret number 17, removable cup holder divider. Take a look at the center console cup holders in your Toyota. See those little inserts sitting in the middle? Most people treat them like decoration and never touch them. Here, what almost everyone misses, those discs are the factory's clever sizing system. Pull them out and the holder instantly expands to grip a massive travel mug or water bottle without it tipping. Pop them back in and the base rises, creating a secure cradle for slim cans, small cups, or even your phone standing upright. The money-saving part? Owners waste $15.30 on cheap Amazon inserts trying to fix a problem Toyota already engineered perfectly from day one. Check your console right now, if those pieces are missing. Secret number 16, hill descent control button. Heading down a steep, slippery grade can turn into a white-knuckle moment fast. Most drivers rely on brakes and end up fighting the truck the whole way. Your Toyota has a better way. Look for the downhill assist control button, usually near the traction control switches. Activate it on a serious descent and the system takes over. It precisely modulates individual brakes to hold you at a safe, crawling speed around 3 to 5 mph while you focus only on steering. No pedal work needed. This prevents brake fade, overheated pads, and those scary flat spots on tires from panic braking. Secret number 15, hidden storage compartment above the glove box. Your glove box is probably crammed full. Meanwhile, there's a stealthy second storage spot sitting right above it that most owners never discover. On many RAV4, Camry, and Highlander models, there's a shallow tray or flip-down compartment built into the dash panel directly over the glove box door. It's at perfect eye level, ideal for sunglasses, garage remotes, charging cables, or that one card you grab constantly. Toyota designed it this way so your glove box stays organized for important papers instead of becoming a junk drawer. Secret number 14, grocery bag hooks in the trunk. Grocery runs turning into a sliding, crushed mess in the cargo area. Your Toyota already solved this years ago. Check the side walls of the cargo area on RAV4, Highlander, 4Runner, and similar models. Those flat panels you've been ignoring, they flip down into sturdy metal hooks. Hang your bags on them and everything stays upright and suspended off the floor the entire drive. No more buying $20.50 cargo nets or organizers. The factory already built the perfect solution, it's just invisible until you know to look. Open the trunk and start flipping those panels, once you find them. Secret number 13, deactivate your key fob signal to prevent theft. Modern key fobs never truly sleep, they keep broadcasting. Thieves use cheap relay devices to grab that signal from your kitchen counter and drive away in under a minute. Toyota gave you a simple ghost mode. Hold the lock button and press unlock twice simultaneously. The light flashes, the fob goes completely silent, and there's nothing left for thieves to clone. Press any button later to wake it back up instantly. Faraday pouches cost $50 100. This costs nothing and takes 2 seconds. Secret number 12, hidden underseat storage drawer. Valuables left visible or jammed messily under seats. There's a better option built right in. On Tacoma, Tundra, and certain Highlanders, lift or slide the rear seat cushion forward. You'll reveal a full-width hidden bin underneath, deep enough for jumper cables, tools, first aid kits, or anything you want to keep out of sight. Smash and grab thefts often start because something tempting is visible. This compartment removes the temptation completely. Stop buying extra organizers and use what Toyota already engineered. Secret number 11, push to open fuel door. Newer Toyotas ditch the old interior fuel lever completely. No cable, no handle under the dash. When the car is unlocked, just press firmly on the rear edge of the fuel door and it springs open. Simple as that. Toyota made the switch because cables freeze, fray, and break repairs run $80 $150. This spring-loaded design has almost nothing to fail. Next time you're at the pump, give it a confident push. You'll never fumble for a lever again. Hey, real quick, if you're learning something useful here, smash that like button. It helps us keep digging up these hidden gems for you. Secret number 10, lane tracing assist button. That constant steering wheel tug on the highway driving you crazy, you're probably fighting the wrong system. Toyota has lane departure alert warnings and lane tracing assist actual steering input. They're separate. Hold the OK button on the steering wheel to access settings and you can turn tracing off completely, lower sensitivity, or limit it to highway speeds only. Many insurance companies even discount premiums for active safety features. One quick menu tweak turns an annoying feature into a genuinely helpful co-pilot. Secret number 9, hands-free liftgate kick sensor. Arms loaded with groceries and a kid on your hip. On equipped Highlanders, RAV4s, and Siennas, there's a sensor hidden in the rear bumper. Slowly wave your foot under the center of the bumper and the liftgate opens automatically. No fob, no buttons, no setting bags on dirty pavement. It saves wear on the fob battery and keeps groceries clean. Most owners trigger it accidentally first and have no idea what happened. Now you'll know exactly what to do. Secret number 8, the built-in cooler hiding inside your glove box. On certain models like the Fortuner, Yaris, and Hilux, there's a small adjustable vent inside the glove box. Slide or flip that lever and cold AC air flows directly in, turning the compartment into a chilled storage area perfect for drinks or temperature-sensitive meds. Portable coolers cost $40 $150. On scorching days, a closed glove box can hit 140 degrees F and ruin meds fast. This free factory solution has been hiding in plain sight the whole time. Open it up and check the inner wall. Secret number 7, rain sensing wipers and how to actually use them. Rain sensing wipers frustrate a lot of owners because they never adjust the sensitivity. There's a small dial or collar on the wiper stalk. Twist it higher in heavy rain for aggressive response, lower in drizzle for gentle sweeps. The sensor reads water on the glass in real time and adjusts automatically within your chosen range. Proper use prevents unnecessary dry wipe wear, saving you $30 on blades that last much longer. Next light rain, give that collar a click and watch the difference. Secret number 6, Toyota infotainment soft reset. Screen freezing or lagging, don't touch the battery. Just press and hold the power volume knob for about 10 seconds. The system reboots cleanly, no lost settings, no warning lights, no window relearn. Dealership diagnostics for this often cost $100 $150 and sometimes involve the exact same button press. 10 seconds at home and your infotainment feels brand new again. Secret number 5, rear seat release button in the trunk. Loading long items? Instead of wrestling seats from inside the cabin, open the trunk and look for levers or buttons on the back of the rear seats. Pull them and the seats drop flat instantly. You stay at the rear the whole time, faster, easier, and far less strain on the mechanisms. Replacement latches aren't cheap. Use the factory shortcut every time. Secret number 4, max AC button. Hot car after sitting in the sun, don't just crank temp and fan, hit the max AC button snowflake with arrows. It instantly sets coldest temp, max fan, full recirculation, and directs air to the upper vents, the exact combo engineers designed for fastest cooldown. This reduces compressor stress and can cut cooldown time dramatically, helping your AC system last longer and saving on eventual $800 $500 repairs. Secret number 3, Toyota panic alarm on the key fob. That red panic button isn't just for embarrassing parking lot moments. It unleashes 110 plus dB of horn and flashing lights, louder than most personal alarms. It works from hundreds of feet away and keeps going until you stop it. Walking to your car in a sketchy lot, have your finger ready. It's already on your keychain and more powerful than you thought. Secret number 1, tire tool kit compartment. Flat tire on the roadside. The jack, lug wrench, and tools are in your Toyota, you just need to know exactly where. Locations vary. Under the cargo floor around the spare on RAV4 Highlander, behind rear seats or in the bed on Tacoma, inside the spare well on Camry/Corolla. Many kits also include a wheel lock key that dealers charge $200 to remove without. Finding these tools now turns a $75 150 roadside wait into a quick DIY swap. Don't wait until you're stranded, check tonight. So, how many of these were new to you? Toyota hides some seriously clever engineering in plain sight, and now you're one of the few who actually knows how to use it. If this saved you time, money, or frustration, drop a comment with which secret surprised you most. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications. We've got more mechanic gate-kept Toyota secrets coming that will blow your mind. Drive safe out there. I'll see you in the next one.